point, get the quotation directory. Here I mean to get the price, not to compare 20 or 30 suppliers, not to encourage you to choose the lowest battery. On the contrary, you can basically see the sincerity of each other in the process of proving service and quotation. Time is money, and salesmen basically don't quote inflated price but real price. Basically, after shopping around, you can determine which offer is more reliable and better for you. Last point, field trip. If you have time, you'd better make a field trip. First, check whether cosmetic factories have labs and R&D teams. Many cosmetic factories don't have labs and R&D teams. These factories generally purchase some formulas from other factories, then produce them step by step without the ability to develop innovative formulas. So these factories produce products with the same formula in 3 or 5 years. Second, investigation formula R&D personnel team. Some cosmetic processing factory have labs, but no R&D personnel team. They have engineers, but these engineers can only simple analyze to buy formula step-by-step production. Real R&D personnel should have new formula innovation ability rather than simply understand the existing formula. Third, lab equipment, production equipment, and advanced lab equipment are important factors that determine whether cosmetic factories can develop new formulas. Workshop production equipment is an important factor affecting the feel and appearance of cosmetics. So the choice of cosmetic OEM factory must depend on whether the equipment is advanced. Fourth, the requirements of the production workshop and cosmetics workshop are not as high as the drug workshop, but the state also has certain requirements for the production workshop of cosmetics, such as air impurity element content, exhaust and drainage system act. The production workshop is not necessarily large, but the facility must be complete. Fifth, in previous case, professional cosmetic OEM and ODM factory must process and produce products for many brands. You can see which well-known brands of the cosmetics are processed by the factory to judge the credibility of the factory and the quality of the products.